Lately, you've probably heard creators saying that YouTube is deleting channels or even demonetizing them, and it has got you worried. What if you are next? What if they come for your channel? Relax. If that thought has been stressing you out, then this video is exactly what you need. So, why are creators getting demonetized even if they think they have done everything right? In this video, I am going to tell you exactly why YouTube is taking down or even demonetizing channels. And most importantly, how to avoid losing yours. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Learn with Lydia. Here we learn about YouTube growth tips. If you're tuning in for the first time, feel at home. Watch this video to the end, like it, and then subscribe to this channel. By doing this, you're supporting the channel. You can also drop a comment if you have any question. Lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can reach a wider audience. Let's start with the main reason why YouTube is cracking down on certain channels. And the first reason is repeatedly violating community guidelines. See, YouTube isn't just looking for one video when they take action. They are normally watching your pattern. So, if you violate their guidelines once, you might get a warning. And if you violate it the second time, you get a strike. If you violate the guidelines the third time, trust me, that could be the end of your channel. YouTube take community guidelines seriously, and channels that violate these guidelines by posting harmful, dangerous, or offensive content can get your video removed or the whole channel deleted. This also includes hate speech, harmful challenges, or anything considered a risk to a viewer's safety. So, let us be mindful of what we put out as content on YouTube, lest we risk losing our channels. The second reason is if your channel contains spam, scam, or misleading content. The most common example for spam is sub for sub. You've probably seen it in the comment sections, or you've done it. Things like let's vibe and support each other, new creators, let's gather here. It sounds friendly, like you are helping one another out. I tried it before, but I noticed something strange. YouTube started removing those new subscribers. They would literally reduce shortly after I gained them. And I asked myself, what is the point of gaining subscribers that disappear the next day? And that is when it hit me that something was not right with this sub for sub thing. These shortcuts are sometimes dangerous. They give you a quick high that leaves your channel worse off in the long run. The truth is, there's no shortcut to real success here on YouTube. All you need to do is put in the work. Like they say, there is no hurry in life. Everything works well to them that love the Lord and puts in the work. The key word there is puts in the work. You just need to put in the work. And all it takes is one viral video that will give you all those subscribers you've been dreaming of. But until then, keep creating valuable content. Stay consistent. Show up even if it is hard, and trust me, your time shall come and you will enjoy. Let's play safe. Let's grow right. Imagine how creating a video is tiresome. Then you end up losing your entire channel because of some simple mistakes that you could avoid. The other reason channels are deleted is because of copyright violation. And what is copyright violation? This is when you use someone else's content without their permission. Why are you a content creator in the first place? As a content creator, leave other people's content alone. Leave other people's content alone and create your own. That's why you are a content creator. Another example is using music that have copyright issues here on YouTube will get you flagged. You might think I am just using a short clip, or everyone is using the song, so it must be okay to use it. Listen, YouTube don't play when it comes to copyright. It's serious when it comes to protecting creators' work, and that includes protecting your work too. So play it safe, stay original, and your content will not only grow, it will be safe and sustainable. Be very careful when posting content that scam people as well, especially if people use your channel to promote their products through links. Be sure of the links they give, that they are very honest and not for scamming people, lest you risk losing your channel and getting demonetized. Posting nudity is also against community guidelines here on YouTube, or giving out informations that are misleading. Like when your thumbnail, for those who don't know, a thumbnail is that first preview, the first picture you see before you click on a video. So when your thumbnail, your title, even your description says something else, but your video delivers something completely different, you get the confusion? YouTube considers that as misleading content. You don't need to use dubious means to grow your channel. People stick around value, consistency, and trust, not tricks. So, as a content creator, to avoid frustrations that come with channel termination or frustrations that come after your channel gets deleted, normalize having 2 to 3 accounts so that when one goes down, you have others to rely on. Also, don't depend on YouTube alone, have other sources of income so that the frustrations don't hit us much. Remember, shortcuts leads to setbacks and playing safe leads to sustainability. So, keep putting in the work, stay consistent and trust. All it takes is one good video to change everything. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and drop a comment below. Watch this next video if you want to know how to make money on YouTube. Until next time, stay original, stay safe on YouTube. See you.